Hello guys, this is our first tutorial about C++ programming language, and the compiler I would like to prefer you the Microsoft Visual Studio for it, and 2013 would be good to program. You would choose C++ development environment after installing it, and now we start creating the new project for C++ program. Here you would choose Visual C++ and empty project. Here you can change the name of the project according to your program. First program. Okay. So it is already in it, so we would have to change it. First program 1. Okay. Now we have to create a new source file in it where we will program Visual C++ file. Here you can also change the name of the cpp file, hello.cpp. Here you can code the program. We are including the library first. iostream #include is used to include the library. iostream is the library that defines the function of scene and cout statements. Scene is used to take input from the user, and cout is used to display the output on the screen using namespace std. Namespace std is a standard namespace. If we don't write it in the first of the program, then we have to use std and double colons after that with before the cout and scene statement. We can make it better to use one line in the start of the program. Void main. This is a main function. It is actually the entry point from where the compiler starts executing the program, and void means empty, and that wouldn't return anything. If we use int here, then we have to return any integer at last, like int, and here return 0. We have to predefine it because we can concentrate on the program after that. Here we are going to cout hello world. This line would print the hello world on the console screen. Here we are going to execute it. The program executed, but it doesn't remains on the screen, so we have to use system pause statement for it so that the console screen can be seen. We are watching here hello world. You can write anything here to print anything you want on the screen. So if you use void before the main, then you wouldn't have to write return 0 at the last of the program. System pause is necessary because it will keep it will make you to see the console screen for the output. Here you can use endl statement. Endl stands for end line. It would create a line after the line you print, like here it printed hello world and then created a line space.